Hey everybody, I wanted to show you this really quick transformation. I saw this sort of wooden soda carrier in the thrift store, and I like that it had these partitions because it made me think, oh, this would be great storage, and it has the wheels on it. I could, make it portable, and so it's a storage thing as well as it's something I can move from one place to the other without any trouble, So what I'm doing here is just removing cobwebs. Yeah, they sold it with cobwebs on it. And so I'm just removing and just cleaning up some of the dirt and just, making sure that it's sturdy enough. And basically what I'll be doing is painting it. And first I put some gesso on there, and then I'm just going to use some paint that I had on hand. And I'm basically just going to show you the process because it's really just me putting some gesso to ensure that the paint would adhere to it better, and painting it, and then putting in my supplies in it. So that's basically all you're going to see in this video. And I did think about sanding it again so it could get this distressed look, which I may do down the line. But at the end I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna just leave it in this color, and we'll do other things to it later as I begin to use it. All right, so I'll stop talking now.
Any ideas? Any ideas?
So there you have it. I made sure that for some sections in the bottom that had little holes, I put something that I know couldn't fall through. But I'm really happy with it, and that it gives me a view of all the stuff that I have, like in terms of pens and brushes and pencils and colored pencils and so on, so that I can move it below the desk when I need the desk for writing, and as opposed to having stuff on the desk. I have my little pouch there, but this is really what I needed. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and walk good.